Do you want to know about work-from-home remote jobs in 2020? Hey everybody, welcome to Make Money from Home. Today, we're going to go over work-from-home remote jobs in 2020. Make sure you watch until the end because we'll be letting you guys know about some of the best remote jobs you can get in 2020 to work from home. Do you want to work from home and make money? As COVID-19 has made everyone sit at home for months, your answer should be nothing else than yes. Then the question may arise, work for which company or client? Freelancing websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and others provide a platform to those who want to work remotely for international and national clients. Customers can pick any of the proposals, send in a response to their request, details and requirements are then shared in a chat box, and the work starts, yielding money for the job. So, what jobs can you actually do sitting in remote areas? We are bringing you 25 wonderful jobs you can do to make money from your home. Number 1. Programming jobs. If you're a programmer, you can program anything from apps to games. You can work remotely by sitting at home. As the programming jobs need just a laptop and a creative mind, no formal office is necessarily needed for programming. Growing demand in this niche makes this remote job stand out on the list. You're a programmer? Grab your laptop and start making money now. Number 2. Freelance writing jobs. If you can't program, no need to worry at all. There's a high demand for people who can write. The man of letters can be requested to write all types of content: blog posts, creative writing, academic writing, script writing, storytelling, media campaigns. If you can write any of the above-mentioned categories, you'll be well regarded in the field of freelance writing. Freelance writers around the globe are earning the second most in the freelancing world. What type of writing services do you think you can provide? Let us know in the comments. Number 3. Remote sales and marketing jobs. Sales and marketing jobs have been at the peak in this era of technology. Social media platforms made sales extremely profitable as product marketing has become easier than one could have imagined 10 years ago. Affiliate marketing through Amazon and other selling websites have made many people decent money and are changing lives. Number 4. Virtual assistant jobs. Can you provide someone somewhere in the globe a helping hand? If you're good at literally anything, it might be useful to someone sitting across an ocean. As the world gets more and more virtual with passing time, your services are needed and appreciated around the globe. Not for free, of course. They will pay you for your service, and that can make you some extra money. Number 5. Remote graphic designer jobs. If you can design page layouts, draw sketches, or design book covers, your services are needed. Freelance websites can bring clients to you in order to complete their tasks for some decent money. Talk to your customer, understand their requirements, and there you go. It's as easy as you listening. Number 6. Remote human resources jobs. Many companies are turning into virtual businesses. The business is virtual, the team is virtual, and even the product is virtual. What will be the type of HR then? You guessed it, virtual. If you're good at human resource management, you can be asked to perform your duties with a virtual setup. Number 7. Remote UI/UX designer jobs. Is designing a customer experience, their journeys, and making people fall in love with new products what you can do easily? Good for you. Start working as a UI/UX designer now and it'll put some dollar bills in your pocket. Number 8. Remote web developer or software engineer jobs. Web development is itself a remote job. If you can develop websites and sort out customer issues regarding their websites, you can be paid for your services. A couple of hours of sorting out issues in your customers' websites, and you'll pay your utility bills for that month. Sound good? Of course it does. Number 9. Remote product management jobs. Companies hire people from any region of the world who can be their product manager. If you have relevant experience, your services can be paid for. Number 10. Remote data analyst jobs. You can be a freelance data analyst too. Sitting in your drawing room, you can be asked to work with experts to analyze data. A few hours of work will surely refresh your bank account, hence refreshing you. Number 11. Remote freelance consultant jobs. Health and finance-related experts can provide consultancy on freelancing platforms and get paid for their contribution there. As the consultants are experts, their rates can be high per hour or per session. If you're an expert in any field, sign up on freelancing platforms to provide your worthy advice. Number 12, remote accountant and bookkeeper jobs. If you're an accountant, there are always clients looking for you. As the budget and audit seasons vary across the world, there can always be demand for your services. Making money is not that difficult, is it? Number 13, remote legal counsel or legal assistance. Legal experts are hired for their worthy advice on many issues. They provide legal assistance on the basis of their knowledge and solve the customer's issues. The win-win situation results as an extra source of income for the legal expert. Number 14, remote customer support jobs. Many websites provide customer support to their clients or buyers. How many of those people are sitting in remote areas? The answer is many of them. You can be a customer support rep by sitting in your bed and getting paid. Number 15, remote teaching jobs. The Earth became a global village once the internet revolutionized our lives. Smart devices like laptops and mobile phones make learning even more accessible. You can earn some money by teaching online courses to students globally. The courses vary from fitness coaching to teaching mathematics. What are you an expert at? It could be physics, biology, astronomy, or geography. Teach online and make some money for yourself. Number 16, remote tutoring jobs. You can actually start a tutoring platform for students out there. Arrange teachers, courses, a facilitated room, and a camera. They will teach for you. Number 17, remote transcription jobs. Do you enjoy listening and typing? You can earn money. There are jobs for anyone who can spend time on a keyboard. Such types of jobs are evergreen and can be found rather easily. Looking to make some money now? Type now. Number 18, remote administrator jobs. What about administrating a company or an office from your rooftop? Surely worth trying. That's what a remote administrator job is about. Coordination and scheduling jobs can be done virtually, allowing you to learn and earn something on a regular basis. What do you think? Is the plan workable? Yes, it is. Many websites like Airtasker offer such jobs. Number 19, remote illustrator, animator jobs. We have previously talked about freelancing and programming, writing, web designing, and graphic design. They're all doable jobs and hundreds of thousands of people are getting paid for doing those jobs for their clients. Same is the case with illustrators and animators. They're useful in a physical business like a book cover designing as well as in video creation. Experts with skills can make a good chunk of money by spending a short time in front of their PCs. Number 20, remote researcher jobs. Many people hire freelancers for research purposes. As a researcher, you can be asked to figure out facts and figures regarding your particular field of expertise. As research work is usually hectic and a valuable job, the rates for researchers are high. If you think you can be handy in research, make offers to buyers who are looking for capable people on freelancing websites. Number 21, remote translator jobs. An interesting job which not only pays you but also opens up new ways of learning, translation. As a translator, you'll be charging your clients per word or per page depending on the platform and the agreement between the two parties. Translate text in its original essence and you'll be recognized for your efforts in a very short time. That recognition will bring you limelight, hence bringing you more money. Number 22, musician. Yes, creating music is a job as well. You could be asked to create original music for your clients as per their needs. Many YouTubers and other artists will reach out to you. If you think you can create interesting music, make plans to sell your expertise and time. Number 23, health coach. You can provide your services remotely if you're a nutritionist or trainer. Many people around the world want fitness, and it's lacking in most people's lives. You can earn money for creating a diet plan or designing and then monitoring their exercise plan. Number 24, voiceovers. If you think your voice quality is good and you can really make an impact with your voice, think about providing voiceovers for YouTubers and media campaigners. A short voiceover clip can be sent or advertised on social media platforms, and people instantly will be reaching out to you. Number 25, create your own. Last but not least, be an entrepreneur and make your own ways. Make your business plan, brainstorm, create marketable ideas. You'll find new domains where you can earn even more, maybe even create some jobs too. So, which of these ideas fascinates you the most? Are you planning to take a remote job instead of a full-time job? Do you think remote jobs can outperform conventional jobs in the coming years? Let us know in the comments sections below. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos about how to make money working from home and much, much more. Check out this video, and I'll see you soon. Take care.